Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this beautiful glowy glass skin look using skincare and makeup.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with cleanser. I've got nothing on my face anyways, but I'm just going to start with cleanser and do my skincare, and then I'll show you the makeup products. Okay, so step 2 is toner. My skin already looks so much cleaner and nicer. Actually, I just came back from work and yeah, I was looking really tired anyways. So I'm gonna be using this Dear Clarice facial toner, and I'm just gonna be using some cotton to do this. I think toner is like super important in this look because you want your skin to be balanced and really supple. This is the moisturizing skincare program anyway, so this toner apparently helps with skin suppleness as well, and I can already feel that my skin is like super soft already. So I'm just gonna kind of dry my toner in. So the other most important thing with Asian skincare and like glass skin is essence. I am using the SK2 facial treatment essence. I got this because I don't know, I read so many good reviews on this and I really wanted to just try it out and see what the whole hype was about. So I'm gonna apply this facial essence, and this pretty much works like what does it work like? Serum. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry, but I'm also going to put on this Eliza Vecca hyaluronic acid. I've been using hyaluronic acid since I tried Korean skincare a long time ago, and it is like my absolute favorite thing to put moisture back into my face. And like, as you guys already saw, that my skin was so irritated last week from swimming and stuff, so I definitely need to add the moisture back into my face. So to add even more glow to my skin, I'm gonna be applying this Clarice vitamin C freshly juiced vitamin drops to my face. This just looks like water, but probably something, you know, really good for your skin. So I'm gonna finish off with some face cream, and I've also got this eye cream, and then we're gonna move right into the makeup. Okay guys, now that we have perfected our skin and made it look really glowy from within, I'm gonna move on to the actual makeup. So as I told you guys, I had a really bad skin reaction last week. Finally it's cleared up a bit, but last week I put up a tutorial, not a tutorial, I put up a video. My skin was actually that bad in that video, and I got so many compliments on my skin. So I'm showing you that makeup look that I did have on that day. I'm starting off with the NYX Photo Loving Primer. I'm only applying this to my nose, and this gives the smoothest like look, and I'm just applying it around my cheek area. The star of the show is this primer which I got online. This is also available at Sephora. This is the Back to Baby Glow Beam, and I'm just gonna get that and I'm gonna apply it on my skin, and this is gonna act like an illuminating primer underneath the actual foundation. And this adds such a like a dewy look to the face. It makes you just look like you're glowing. I'm using the NARS Sheer Glow Foundation in Gobi. I'm just applying my favorite Fit Me concealer in shade 20. I'm just applying this really lightly because we already have foundation on our skin. We don't want like too much coverage because it is glass skin and you should be able to see your skin through it. Obviously, if you do have like troubled skin, I would add a little bit more coverage. So I'm just gonna set the under eyes with this NARS powder in Olympia. And then I'm also going to contour with that shade. I'm just using the Vanity Planet brush. We are not gonna add too much powder because we still want this look to be dewy, so we are literally only setting the parts of our face which we don't want to look oily. Don't put any powder on your cheek area, guys. I'm just adding that same contour to my eyelids as well, using the exact same brush. I'm just going to be using this 3CE blush. It's a cream cushion blush. So I am using the Fenty Beauty highlighter in Hustler Baby, and I'm going to be using this fan brush by Vanity Planet to apply the highlighter. Okay guys, I'm just going to apply some brow Drama by Maybelline and this Mega Volume L'Oreal mascara just to the eyes. So we are nearly done with our glass skin look. So the glass skin is done. You can see that my skin looks really glowy and flawless. I'm just gonna add pink to the lips because we don't have too much color on the face anyways. So I'm gonna be using the 3CE Lip Velvet tint in Pink Break, along with the 3CE gloss, which is clear. Okay guys, we are done with this beautiful makeup look. Makeup and skincare look. Before I do end the video, I just want to let you guys know I'm doing a massive giveaway. I'm giving away 2 of these advent calendars from yesstyle.com. They actually contain 24 full-sized products. A lot of the products I did use today are in the advent box. So all you need to do to win this is click on the description box below. I'm going to put all the details down there. It's going to be super easy. It's international and it will be open for 1 week, and then I will randomly pick the winners. Best of luck guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.